What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for watching. We're going to go ahead and kick this video right off, starting off with my Africa Miranda facial elixir. Trying not to drop it and just rubbing that into the skin just to go ahead and prep it for the makeup. My skin looks so crazy right now. Like, it just all of a sudden said nope and just decided to erupt with pimples, but we're going to make it work. So we're going in with the Smashbox, I want to say this is Photo Finish Primer. You saw it right there. That's what we're using to go ahead and prime the skin. And then the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. I can't remember what foundation shade I am, but if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll be sure to answer if you're curious. I like this foundation, but I'm a little, it can be a little orangey on me, so I have to be careful to combat the orange with other methods that you'll see later. And then I do have to go in with another layer because, as I said, my skin is on one and not in a good way. Alright, next up, the Fit Me Shine Free Plus Balance little stick situation in the shade 355. I don't know why I turned it upside down, but I use this to go around the outside of my face just to kind of balance me out. Sometimes I feel like I said, that foundation is a little orange on me, so that kind of helps it, and then it just, I don't know, it's just something I do. So I feel like it helps even out my skin tone. Because I had a little bit of a situation. Okay. Next up, we're going in with some NARS concealer. This is in the shade Caramel. Using that to go back over more acne scars, or the already existing acne scars that are very persistent, and using it to hide my dark circles, which are also, I guess my dark circles and my pimples had a meeting and decided they were just going to be terrible that day. Setting the foundation and the concealer with the Sasha Butter Cream or the Buttercup, one of those. Powder. I'm not really into baking anymore, but I do set it because I do like a matte look. Spraying all of the powders into the skin so they can last longer. This is the Scandinavia, the Makeup Finishing Spray. I slowed that clip down so you could see exactly what it was that I was using. Alright, back to regularly scheduled programming. The Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown with an eyebrow pencil from BH Cosmetics. And now the piece de la resistance, if that's how you say it. I didn't take French, I took Spanish. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is what I will be using to create the look that you saw in the beginning. She does have a little sheet that gives the names of the shades. However, I have no idea where that sheet is, so I don't know the names of the shades that I'm using, but I will point them out to you as I go along, so you can just keep track of what's happening. You know the usual transition shade in windshield wiper motions, a little dancing. Alright, so now we're going in with that shade and going over the transition shade just to create some depth. I'm just kind of winging it here. So after some
for her lid color, I can't decide if I should do
to pick
this
for my lid.
one,
I
this
finally picked one, and
or
as you saw, dug a little hole in my black nail polish in the palette, which is very infuriating, but
that one,
life goes on. So applying that shade all over the lid. I don't know. Alright, so now we're going in with this color by NYX, or this little pencil by NYX. I couldn't see the color, but it's a blue eyeliner. It's fine. So I'm just using that to line my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this beautiful blue and that beautiful other color right there. So those two colors, that one and that one. I'm going to do one on the first half of my eye, as you can see there. There you go. And then, okay, I'm just going to do that same color both on the kind of first half of my lower lash line. And then we're going to go in with that blue and do the outer half. Just touching up, touching up. Nothing else to see. A little close-up look. All right, now lashes. These are some Ardell lashes that I will show you here in a minute. And I just wanted to show you me putting them on because, you know, that's riveting. I find that the thinner the band, typically the easier it is for me to put the lashes on. I have all kinds of problems with thick band lashes. They don't seem to be my friend at all. Alright, now we're going in with the BFF3 lip liner by ColourPop. Oh, but first, it needs to be sharpened. Okay, so now we're back, pencil sharpened. And then we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb, I believe it's called, lip gloss. Just to top it all off. Oh yeah, get it, girl. And then last but not least, we're going to take the It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics. You know I love that thing, but we're going to use a different highlighter. I believe that one's called Radiant. And just going to use it for a subtle glow. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. Those highlighters are everything. So we're just going to bathe and highlight